All right, so let us start, kids. So a very warm welcome to all of you from the Olympiad Success family. I'm Aarti and I will be your host for today. So kids, as we were discussing today, we are here for a demo and interaction program for grade 4 mathematics Olympiad, right? And this is our second batch which we are starting. So we had started with the live classes in March, right, a month back actually. So this is our second batch for grade 4 students, the details about which I would be soon letting you know, okay, like what all would be there. And basically the flow of this session, particularly the demo program, this demo and interaction session would be like, first of all, there would be an introduction by Nitin sir, who is the director of Olympiad Success. After that, there would be an introduction by your mentor, Niti ma'am. Post that, I will be taking you through a presentation about which I was telling you earlier. So in the presentation, you'll get to understand about the course details. Post the presentation, I will be taking you through the tour of the platform, wherein you will understand like how you can access the reading material and the test series, which we would be providing you. All right. And after that, question and answer round. So if you have any doubts, any queries, you can write it down in the chat section. All right, is everybody listening? Shall I ask you like what is the flow of the session then? Okay, so everyone is doing thumbs up. All right, great. So after the question and answer round, we would be starting with the demo session for which you all are here. Okay, all clear? So what is the first part? Who is going to come now? So all the students who are saying yes, so what's the next part of this session? Who is going to come now? What are we going to do? Nitin
Okay.
sir,
See,
absolutely.
Musa is brilliant. Musa, I love you. Can we have the other students also switch on the camera, because then at least I can see that whether they were nodding their heads or not. Can I see that? Leonard, Amish, Vedant, Daksh, Atharva. Okay, Anaga. How are you doing, Anaga? You can say just wave your hand. I think that is also fine. Okay.
Everyone, wave your hands. Okay, nice.
Okay, good. So welcome to all the students and parents. I don't know how many of you are writing Olympiad exams, but those of you who have heard, or I can just provide a brief. These are exams which are little tougher than the typical school curriculum. These are exams where students are typically evaluated on the conceptual understanding of the concepts and the practical applications of the concepts, right? And that is the reason why. Okay, Amish, no problem if your camera is not working. So I think the focus is on the conceptual clarity. The curriculum is a little tougher than the school curriculum. And then I think that is what is needed for competitive exams, right? So in case your plan or objective is to stay ahead of the class and ensure that you are able to solve questions quickly, right? Because then in a typical MCQ type of format, there are 4 options given, and then you have to select the question. You are always short of time. And that is where some of these classes are very helpful. And for this, we have a wonderful mentor, Niti ma'am, who has been teaching students like you, especially in the younger grades, and training students for Olympiad exams. So over to Niti ma'am for a brief introduction.
Thank you, Nitin sir. Thank you. Yes, good evening, everyone. Hello. Can you wave your hands? Can I see some smiles? Yes. I know mathematics is a little difficult, but I'll make it easy for you. So I want a huge smile on your faces. Yes. Yes. Very good, Arnav. Thank you so much. Okay, children. So I am Neeti. I'll be your mentor for this year, for your 4th grade. And I will be taking your sessions. I will be teaching you. Okay. And I'll try to make mathematics interesting. Okay. And I have been into education and teaching from last 11 and 12 years. All right. I have been working with many of the publication houses and I have been associated with Olympiad Success. So it's good to see you all. So can anybody tell me why you want to go for Olympiad or why Olympiad is important? Anybody? Anyone?
Yeah, we can unmute actually if you want. Anybody who wants to answer
Okay, Arnav is raising his hand.
Yes.
Oh, he's very confident.
Arnav, you want to say something?
we pass the Olympiad exam, and in the middle of we give the Olympiad exam. When we pass, the gold medal is give to us, and when gold medal is give to us, the happiness on us face do not stop.
Oh my God, what a wonderful and a cute and a simple answer.
So he is looking at the end product actually. So he's keen only on the gold medal, nothing else.
Right. So that means medals make you happy, right? Okay. Any other answer you want to write it in the chat box also? You can write it.
A few other students are also raising their hands. So I'll just unmute Dyuti.
Yuti and then maybe Musa, I think.
Yeah.
I think Olympiad is important because it helps us recap the topics that we learn in school and also help us prepare for our future exams.
Oh, that's a very good, brilliant
nice.
answer. Yes, Musa.
Okay.
Ma'am, I think Olympiad exams are the exams which train us for our NEETs, IITs, or the future big exams or board exams.
Oh my God.
That's so wonderful. Like in grade 4th.
Yes, he's very futuristic. Yes, Musa, you are looking forward for your future right now. Very good.
Okay, Anagha, you can also go ahead.
And then we should get, I think last should be Aditya. And
Aditya,
then
yes.
Ma'am, Olympiad exams are helpful as they'll make our school studies more easier, and it will make our grades much more better, and we'll get more knowledge than needed.
Okay.
Okay, and over to Aditya now. Aditya, I've asked you to unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Olympiads are helpful for gaining extra knowledge. And preparing for future exams.
Okay, so you are stressing on that extra word. Extra means lot many other things, right? So it's a huge,
much knowledge.
okay. Okay, Aditya, we got your point.
Okay.
All right, students.
All right, Aarti ma'am, you can continue.
Okay, thank you so much, Niti ma'am, and it's a pleasure to have you on the platform.
Thank
you.
you.
Students, now we would be starting with a presentation. Let me share my screen. So during the presentation also, if you have any doubts, you can write it down in the chat section, and after the tour of the Olympiad Success Platform is done, we would be taking up all your questions. Okay. So once again, a very warm welcome to all the students and parents. We are here for a demo and interaction program for grade 4 mathematics, and this would be our batch 2nd. To begin with, I'll just give you a brief about Olympiad Success. So Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examinations. And we had started with the Olympiad Success live classes. So basically the thing which we are doing now, these are known as Olympiad Success live classes. So this is our 3rd year into it. And again, we are India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad's preparation. Then there is this School Plus program, which was started with the Olympiad Success live classes only. So basically the School Plus program, it's a combination of 8 courses. So either you can take like individual courses, or you can opt for a School Plus program, which comprises of these 8 subjects. And these 8 subjects are math, science, English, and logical reasoning. These are for your Olympiad's preparation, while we have 4 other subjects essential for your skill building. And they are communication, and it has both spoken and written, Vedic mathematics, and coding. So this School Plus program is available for students of grades 3 till 8. Now, what else are we giving? So we have online CPSC plus Olympiads classes for students of grades 6 till 10. We also have one-to-one preparation classes for International Mathematics Olympiad. So we do prepare the kids for SASMO, CMO, HKIMO, TMO, math counts, and etc. We do plan for JEE mains preparation classes as well. Coming up to the rank holders list for the academic year 2021. So that year we had 40 plus international rank 1, 70 plus in top 5, and 120 plus in top 10. So students like the success of these students basically depends on three very important pillars, and these pillars are the student themselves, right? Then their parents, and then their mentor, right? So an equal contribution from all the three sides is required to make all these kids really successful. Correct. Now let us discuss about the Olympiad sessions. So your classes would be conducted in group with around 20 students, and it would be delivered through Zoom as we are doing it right now. There will be 2 sessions per week, and the days will be Monday and Wednesday. The timing will be from 6:30 p.m. till 7:45 p.m. And this will be as per IST, which is Indian Standard Time. So basically, these would be 75 minutes classes with a 5-minute break in between. Your sessions would be including a mix of theory, practice questions, doubt sessions, and discussion on previous year papers. You would be getting reading material, practice questions, answer keys on your dashboard of Olympiad Success, and you will be getting free access to the platform for practicing topic-wise mock tests for mathematics and logical reasoning. So, students, after this presentation, I will be taking you through the tour of the platform, wherein you will understand what I mean by point number 4 and 5. Okay, so just watch it carefully, because once you enroll to this program, you would understand how to access these material. Now coming up to the links, so the links I will be sharing once again in the chat section. So make sure you copy them, because these would be helpful for you to enroll to this program. The fees for this course is rupees 8,500, and the total number of sessions in this course are 40. If interested, you can go to this link, which is olympiadsuccess.com/live/buy to make the payment. I would reiterate that what your fees include. So you would be having daily, not daily, twice in a week live classes. Okay, so these would be online classes. Days would be Monday and Wednesday, and the timing will be from 6:30 p.m. till 7:45 p.m. You'd be getting reading notes and exercises, practice of previous year papers, and access to Olympiad Success platform for math and logical reasoning. If you enroll today for this course, you would be getting a free CREST Mathematics Olympiad examination. Coming up to the prerequisites and preparation. So you should attend these classes using a laptop or a desktop with good internet connectivity and use headphones. And as Nitin sir had already mentioned earlier, so preparing for Olympiad examinations is a bit tougher, because you are a level ahead of your school curriculum. So we would want you to spend few hours every day to cope up with the curriculum, and parent support may be needed to check the answers, reiterate the concepts. So that's it, kids. Your live classes will be starting from 25th April, which is a Monday. And I hope to see you all there, right? And finally, I would like to end my presentation on the note that we had students, like in the academic year 21-22, we had students from 35 plus countries, and we have students from more than 3,800 schools across India and abroad.
Aarti, can you just move to a previous slide? I think Daksh was asking if we can.
Okay, sure.
So I don't think this one. I think maybe this one. Daksh, is this the one, or is some other slide that you were looking at? Okay, so this is the one. So there are 40 sessions in this course, and the fees is 8,500. I think that's the summary of this particular.
Okay, about CREST.
Okay, okay. So in case you enroll today, yeah, you do get free basically subscription to CREST Olympiad exam, which will take place from November till January.
Okay. All right. So thank you so much, kids. This was about the presentation and the course details. Now let me start with the tour of the platform. Okay, so let me share my screen once again.
Yeah, in case any of your parents are there nearby, they can also see the platform, so that at least they would be able to see what all material will be available in the course.
Right. So students, the first thing which you need to do is, like, once you enroll to this course, you should log in here. The login link is olympiadsuccess.com/login. Then you need to enter your email and password, which would be provided to you. Okay. So after entering, click on the sign in button. You would be redirected to your profile page. Right. So now there are two important tabs on the left hand side. If you see, first is live classes. Let us discuss about this. Live classes. So I have to click on the subject. So let's say math. So here you can see a subject, like all 8 subjects are there. Since I have subscribed to all the 8 subjects, the entire list of all 8 subjects is coming over here. But then whichever subject you subscribe to, the list would be coming as per that. So let's say I'll click Mathematics Olympiad. Then the topic list will be filled here. Okay, you have to select on any of the topic, let's say fractions. And here you can find out the reading material, practice questions and answer keys. So if you want to see the reading material, click on reading material. And the PDF would open up for the reading material. Okay, so for fraction, the content would be there, right? And based on this content, we would be giving you a few practice questions. So there are around like 5 or 6 sets of practice questions, which we would be giving to you for fractions. So the exercises are given here. So once you are done with your exercises, you have to click on the answer keys to match your answers, right? So just to cross verify that what you have answered and what the correct answer is should match. Okay, so this is about the reading material, practice questions and answer keys. Now if I click on the view schedule button, so in this, like a detailed session wise schedule has been mentioned. So like what we would be doing in session 1. So let's say numerals, number name, number sense would be covered in that. Session 2, it would be continued with that. Session 3 would be doing Roman numerals. Session 4 would be a test. Okay, so everything has been defined very clearly in this schedule. So you would come to know like what all we would be doing in which sessions. And we generally try to complete the entire course in lesser number of sessions as mentioned, because the last few sessions are taken for the super classes and doubt sessions. So here, like you see, as you see, our course will get completed in 34 sessions, and the remaining sessions would be especially for your doubt sessions and super classes. So by super classes, I mean there would be lots and lots of practice and practice of previous year papers. And if you have any doubts, you can ask your mentor. So last few sessions would be dedicated to that. Then we have the holiday calendar. So here we have mentioned the dates on which we would not be conducting the classes. So you should check this as well. And then we have the Zoom meeting ID and password. So here the meeting ID and password would be updated for you. You need to check, like you can attend these classes using the meeting ID, which we would be updating. This is a dummy one, and we would be updating on your dashboard with a new one with which you can attend the classes. So this is the first thing. I hope you all have understood how to access the reading material, practice question and answer keys, right? Now let us start with the second thing, which is topic-wise worksheets. All right. So as the name indicates, we are giving you topic-wise worksheets for you to practice. So all the worksheets would be as per topic. So computation operations. So there are around 10 worksheets for computation. So 12 worksheets for computation operations. Similarly for fractions, as you can see, there are 10 worksheets for fractions. So we have around 83 worksheets for you to practice. Now, how to practice? So these worksheets are available in the form of examination. You have to click on the take exam button, click on the start worksheet button, and then the question and options will be displayed. You have to solve the question, click on the answer and click on the next button, right? So once you are done with the test, click on the finish button and you would be redirected to the answer key page. So here on the answer key, like you can see the question, the options, what the correct answer is, what you had answered, and for few questions there are explanation also given, right? So this is how you can see the answer keys. Now, in case if you would want to see the answer keys for all of your like topic-wise worksheets which you had attempted, just click on the performance tab. And here you can see like what are like I have given 3 examinations till date, 3 topic wise worksheets I have solved. So I'll just click on the view button. I would be redirected to the summary page. So on the summary, you can see like what was the time when I took the test, how much time did I take to complete the test, etc., etc. And once I click on the review button, I would be redirected to the answer key page, right? So you can check your questions and answers. So I hope you all would remember that what all clicks you need to make to access your content and access the topic-wise worksheets, right? So students, now I'm stopping my screen share. If you have any doubts, any queries, you can write it down in the chat section and we would be happy to answer those. Any queries? No? Okay. No queries are there. All right. So let me ask you one question. Yes, sir,
Yeah, so
please.
that means that they have understood everything. I think we should ask 3 questions.
Absolutely. So who can tell me in how many months this course is going to get complete? Two months?
What is the calculation? That is not the right answer.
So come up with the calculation also, that complete calculation in the chat section. It should be there. In 34 sessions?
The total number of sessions are 40, right?
40,
Because obviously it
right.
includes the course will be over. See, we'll cover the chapters in 34 sessions, but the total course is
In a
40.
year, months, 12. Come on.
Simple calculation.
Can you repeat the question? Okay, so in how many months will your course get complete?
1 week is equal to 2 classes, 40 by 2, 20 by 4 weeks, and 5 months. This is absolutely the right answer.
Right answer.
Okay, so it
So
will take 5 months to complete the course. Did everybody get the reason why the course will take 5 months to complete? Anaka, you were able to understand why it is 5 months? So who's not been able to understand? Let me understand that. Musa is able to understand, Anaka is able to understand or not able to understand? Able to understand? Okay, good. So I would assume that you have understood it. So I think let me just reiterate for those people who have not understood. So there are 2 classes in a week. So that means that in 1 month, how many classes will take place? Can somebody help me? In 1 month, how many classes are going to be there? 8. Okay, Anaga. So I think you got it. And since there are total 40 classes, right, or 40 sessions, so I would have to divide 40 by 8. That gives me 5 months. Clear? Okay, I think people got it. Okay, good. So what's the next question, Aarti?
okay, so next question. When are your live classes beginning?
On what date is it?
Yes, on what date?
Oh, that's a tough question.
Okay.
April 25th? Okay.
Yes, absolutely. This is the correct answer. Right.
And on what days of the week the classes are going to take place and at what time? Monday? Only Monday. I think we discussed that there are 2. Okay. So Monday and Wednesday is the right answer, but what time? 6:30 morning, 6:30 a.m. Is it, Advaita? 6:30 to 7:45 p.m. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, I think we have some really bright students, and I think Niti ma'am, you are going to have fun taking the demo today.
Yes, sir, absolutely. Any other question, Aarti ma'am?
No, that's it, I believe. So kids, should we start with the session?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So let me start. Wait.
Yeah, so over to you, Niti ma'am.
Okay, children. So I'll be taking a very simple topic, that is calendar, right? Everybody can see that? Right. Okay. So is anyone who can tell me something about calendar? You can write it in the chat box, because I'll not be only delivering the things, I will be taking your feedback also. Okay. So it will be a two-way communication. You can write something. If you need any doubt, if you want to ask me anything, you want to put questions, you want to say something, you can quickly start. Okay. So yes. Right. What is a calendar? Anybody who can tell me what is a calendar? Anyone who can write it in the chat box? A simple definition to know dates and days. Wonderful. Yes. Calendar is basically a tool or a medium through which you can find out the dates, the days, months, years, right? It is a tool which is used to tell you the time. Yes, very good, very good. 1 year has 365 days, 1 decade 10 days. No 10 days, 10 years. 1 century, 100 years. Okay. All right. So let's talk about this. You must have heard about the words time, second, minutes, hours, day, right? You must have heard in your daily life that today is the day to go. Today is a holiday, or today is a day that we have to attend the demo classes. You must have marked in your calendars that today we have to attend Olympiad success, right? Can I have a thumbs up? Yes. You must have seen the calendar as well as the time, as well as the clock to reach the demo on time, right? Can I have few yes or thumbs ups? Yes. So basically calendar is a tool that helps you to mark a passage of time. Okay. It helps you. Yes. Very good. Thank you. All right. So can you see a calendar here? Can you see a calendar? Now this calendar is showing you the month as well as the days. Now there are basically 1 week has how many days? You can show me your fingers. Quick, be quick. 1 week has how many days? Is it 5? Is it 4? Is it 3? Is it 7? Wonderful answer. Very good. I can see a lot of many fingers. Like I can see like this finger also, this finger also. Yes, very good. Yes, 7 is the correct answer. So 1 week has 7 days. Can you name the days quickly? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, right? And everybody loves Saturday and Sunday. Yes, am I right? I love it. I love my weekends. Right. So Monday to Friday is usually considered as a working days, and Saturday, Sundays are considered as weekends. Okay. Now in month, we have different weeks. All right. Now and later on, I'll tell you how many weeks will be there. But first, you can just have a look that what is a month looks like. Okay. Now see this. You know that what is a day? Do you know how many hours are in a day? Anybody can write it in the chat box. How many hours are in a day? Yes, absolutely correct. There are 24 hours in one day. Right. So daytime, you know that how day is occurring? Anybody who can tell me? Anyone who can write it in the chat box? What, why? Yes, anybody? Yes, it is due to Earth rotation on its axis, right? Earth is rotating and day and night is occurring, right? Very good. So usually we considered our 1 day as a standard time, okay? And 1 day has 24 hours and 1 week has 7 days, as I've already mentioned it before. And the first first day of the week, anybody? First day of the week. Quickly, ma'am, tomorrow is Ambedkar Jayanti. Yes, I know tomorrow is Ambedkar Jayanti and you must be having your holidays in your school. Monday, very good. And weekends are Saturday and Sunday, I have already told you. Very good. And this cycle keeps on repeating. After Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This cycle keeps on repeating. Very good, children. And day after tomorrow is Good Friday. My God, 4 holidays. It's a huge one. Yes, 4 holidays. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So this is a good weekend for you. Okay, now months and days. Now who will tell me how many months are there in a year? You know what is a year? Yes, 12 months. Absolutely correct. We are just revising the concepts that you have already done in your class 3. Okay, this is nothing new for you, right? 12 months are in a year. And how many weeks? A month. In a month, how many weeks? Yes, 4 to 5 weeks in a month. Absolutely correct. Okay, so can you see this calculation here? Now, can you see this calculation? 1 week has 7 days, it's written. And then I have written that 2 weeks. How many days will be there in 2 weeks? I'll multiply 7 by 2. Because why I have multiplying? Can anybody tell me the answer? Why I am multiplying 7 by 2? Now there is a reason behind it. Why I am multiplying 7 by 2. Then in 3 weeks I am multiplying 7 by 3. Then in 4 weeks I am multiplying 7. Yes, very good, Anagta. Absolutely correct. Because multiplication is repeated addition. Wonderful answer. Because so this is a shortcut. Every time you cannot say 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, right? It is so boring. So now we can do what we can do. We can count how many times we are multiplying 7. So this includes your computation also. Wow. So if I multiply 4 by 7 or 4 times 7, I'll get how many days? Who will tell me? 4 multiply 7. Quick. Be quick. How many days? 28 days. Absolutely correct. So you can see that this is the calculation. 1 week has 7 days, 2 weeks has 14 days, 3 weeks 21 days, and 4 weeks 28 days. But in a month we have more than 28 days. We have 30 days or 31 days, right? So that means we can say that it is more than 4 weeks, right? A month has more than 4 weeks. Now you can see the name, yes, average of 4. No, we'll not say average. We'll say that it is more than 4 weeks. It can be 4 weeks, 2 days. It can be 4 weeks, 3 days. It can be 4 weeks, 4 days sometimes, but not more than that. Okay, now quickly see the months of the years. Can you see? Can you spell out? Everybody, I need that everyone should write the spellings because many of you write incorrect spellings for January and February. Right. So please, yes, January, correct. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, now very simple question. If we are starting this, your course in April, so you are telling that in 5 months you will complete it. So can you tell me by which month you will be able to complete this? Any idea? Quickly, quickly. In April you are starting it. Then how many? Yes. Oh my God, you have written the entire chain. Okay, somebody's saying August, somebody's saying September. Very good. Maybe by September, we'll be able to complete it, right? Very good, children. Okay, now let's move ahead. Now you can see that these are the 12 months. You can see the first column. You can see the first column, first month, second month, third month. All the months are written. And then you can see the name of the months. So if I ask you that what is the 10th month of the year, you can quickly tell me October. If I ask you what is the 12th month of an year, what is the 12th month? 12th month, 12th month, December. My God. Everybody, yes, very good. Good answer and very quick answer. Okay, now which month is going on? Is it third month or fourth month? Fourth, absolutely correct. So you have understanding that we can ask you anyways. We can ask you the month. We can ask you the number also. Okay, now see what are the number of days assigned to each month. Can you see that? 31, 28, 29. Why 28, 29? Both the 2 days are given in the month of February. Any idea? Anyone can explain it? Yes, absolutely correct. Sometime after 4 years, we have a leap year. We have a leap year after every 4 years. So in that leap year, that one extra day goes to February. We give it to the February month. Otherwise, you can see that all other months have either 30 or 31. So now do you know the knuckle method? Have you seen the knuckle method? Anyone? 28 normal. Yes, we have extra day in a leap year. Yes, absolutely correct, Biswandeep. Very good. We have an extra day in the leap year. Now you can play with me. You can use your knuckles. Everyone, can you show me your fist like this? And let's start counting the months. Okay, January come on this, the first knuckle. January, then February in the valley. These are mountains. The top parts are the mountains, and these one are valleys. So the top parts, these knuckles, these have 31 days, and the valleys will be having 30 days only, except February. Okay, let's begin the chain. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Now again come to the first, August, September, October, November, December. Okay. Now can you tell me the 2 months which are coming consecutively, and they have 31 days. Consecutively means one after another. The 2 months which are coming one after another, and they are having 31 days. Absolutely correct, Karthik. July and August, because July finishes at this point and August here. And you can see here also, July and August, they are the 2 months which are consecutively coming with 31 days. Otherwise, see, there is an alternate game. 31, then 28, 31, 30, 31, 30, 30, 31, 30, 31. Alternatively, they are, yes, July and August. Very good. Okay, now see, to find the number of days in a year. Okay, somebody can quickly tell me how many days are in the year? In the chat box. Days in the year, in 1 year, normal year, not leap year. In a normal year. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Good, good, good. Okay, 365 days. Lovely. Good. Just a minute. Okay, where is my chart? Okay. Right, 366 days in leap year. Yes. So now to find a day, you can see the calculation here. Can you see? Now, why it is 7? Can anybody tell me why it is 7 in number 31 is multiplied by 7? Any guesses? Any rough guesses? Weeks? No, no, no. There are no 31 weeks. Days of the week? No. See, there are 7 months with the days 31. 7 is the number of months. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right? So there are 7 months which have 31 days. So we are multiplying 7 with 31. Okay, then 4 multiply 30. Why 4 multiply 30? Yes, because there are 4 months with 30 days. Again, count it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes. So there are 4 months with 30 days. So we are multiplying it. And why we are adding? Because we want to find out the total number of days in a year. So total itself means that we have to add, we have to take a sum. So total. So now plus. Now 1 multiply 28 because there is only 1 month, February, which has 28 days. So when you add all this, you will get 365 days. Is it correct? Can I have some smiles so that I can understand, or some head nodding or some thumbs ups that you're understanding the thing? Okay, thank you. Adrit, I cannot see you. What happened? Okay, now I can see your smile. Okay, thank you. Thank you for raising your hand. Thank you. Advita is smiling. Okay, Advita. Okay, now here comes. Now you know that a year has a 365 days. I have already mentioned it. Right? Now we have also discussed, I have a question. Okay, Adrit, yes, ask your question. You can write it in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you want to ask a question, Adrit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, my question is, ma'am, for leap year, in the slides I have seen 365. Over there was written one more, 1/4.
1 upon 4.
Yeah,
Where you have seen? In my slides.
yeah.
Where?
Ma'am, just go one more slide. One more slide, ma'am.
But before that, we were not talking about, this is the first slide.
Oh, back. Ma'am.
I think you have misread something, right?
Uh,
Okay, can we
no,
continue? Shall we continue? Any other question?
no, ma'am, but but I know that there are 365 and a quarter days in a normal year, and that repeated 4 times makes one whole day. So that is why leap year has
Yes.
360 days.
Absolutely correct. Very good answer. Yes.
That is why
Yes.
in my answer I wrote a year has 365.25 days.
Right. Okay, I got it. You are writing in the chat box. Okay, fine. Okay, yes. So every fourth year, you can see that every fourth year has an extra day, right? And that makes a leap year. And in leap year, we have 366 days, right? Okay. Now that extra one day is added in the month of February, as I've already told you. So February now in leap year has 29 days. Instead of 28 days, it becomes 29 days. So you can see that these are some leap years, right? So can you tell me whether 2022, which is going right now, is it a leap year? Is it a leap year? Yes or no? No, it is not a leap year. Now I'll tell you why it is not a leap year. So basically what you have to do, if you have to check whether an year is a leap year or not, what you're going to do, you can divide it by 4. You can divide that particular year by 4. And if that year is divisible by 4, completely divisible by 4, that means there is no remainder. That year becomes a leap year, right? So what was the last leap year before 2022? Anybody can tell me? Yes, 2024 is a leap year, right? 2020 was a leap year. Yes, 2020 was a leap year, and now next year will be 2024. Absolutely correct. Very good. Now the year 1976 is a leap year and 2000 is a leap year. You can see that. But 1900 is not a leap year because it is not divisible by 4. Right? No, they are telling you that to find the number of weeks in a leap year, divisible 365, divide 365 by 7, since each week has 7 days. So what we are going to do, we will divide 365 days. We have total 365 days in 1 year. Now we will divide that by 7, because 7 is the number of days in a week. So we will get 52 weeks and 1 day. Why 1 day? 1 is our remainder. Okay. So 52 weeks and 1 extra day will be coming when we divide 365 by 7. Question for 52 and remainder 1. Yes, Adrit, absolutely correct. 52 is our quotient and 1 is our remainder. That's why we are telling 52 weeks and 1 day. Okay. This is again very simple. 7 days make 1 week. Everybody know this. 1 year has how many days? 365 days. I'm quickly just recapitulating what we have done so that you can understand in the pointers. Okay. Then about, why I have written about, because there are more than 52 weeks in a year, right? We have 1 extra day. So that's why we have word, you have used about word. About 52 weeks in 1 year. 366 days in a leap year. Then we have 12 months in 1 year. Then we have about 4 weeks. Why again I have used this word about? Please remember, because this is not an accurate number of weeks. Okay, in 1 month we have 4 weeks, more than 4 weeks days also. Then 10 years make 1 decade, right? 100 years make 1 century. My God. Okay. Can you tell me any sports in which you have heard about century? Any sports in which you must have heard about this word century? Cricket. Oh my God. I was expecting this answer. Yes, cricket is the one. So you can see that in your daily life, you are using these terms in regular routine, right? Right? Right. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Now, 1,000 years, 1 millennium. Oh, anybody who have heard about millennium in the daily life? Any word you have heard? Any real life situation in which you have heard the word millennium? Or any, I have heard. I'll tell you. Yes. Okay, tell me. Millennium. Anyone? Have you heard a millennium star? Who is the millennium star? Superstar of India. Millennium superstar. Quick. Anybody can give me the answer. He's an actor. Amitabh Bachchan. Yes, absolutely correct. So see, yes, Amitabh. Is it good to say Amitabh? He's so senior to you. Is it good to say Amitabh? No. I think he's just like your grandfather, right? So you should have say Amitabh Bachchan ji or sir. You should honor them. Okay. All right. Yes, very good answer, Amitabh Bachchan sir. Okay. Now, children, from 1900 to 1999, we call this as a 20th century. Okay, we call this as 20th century. And from 2000 to 2099, we call it as 21st century. That's why we call you as 21st century kids, right? And I am 20th century. You belongs to 21st century. Wow. This is a new learning for me also, right? Anakta is laughing. Okay. So now, this is the question. I think most of you will love it. If 12th April 2007 was Thursday, okay? You can write it down somewhere. What was the day on 30th April 2007? Can anybody give it a try? First of all, tell me how many days are in the month of April? Okay, Wednesday, Friday, different answers are coming. 30, yes. April has 30. Yes, April has 30. Then 12th April was Thursday. See, this is the calendar. I can show you the calendar also. Now, basically, what is the format of the calendar? On the top, there should be the month and the year. These are very important clues. April 2007, you can see that April 2007, 12. This is, oh, where it is? Sorry. Can you see this date? Now, this was Thursday. Now, they are asking you, what was 30th April? You can see it from the calendar. It is Monday. Yes, it is Monday. Okay, now Anushka's grandmother went to USA for a vacation on 4th June 2010. Okay, she came back on 26th August 2010. Now, how long was her journey or vacation? What is the duration? She has started her vacation on 4th June and she came back on 26th August. So June, July, August. So June, not entire month she is there. July, entire month she was there. Until 26th August she was there. 4 weeks is equal to 1 fortnight. Okay, not 4 weeks. 4 weeks is equal to 1 month. Okay, now see the solution, because I have not got the solution from anyone. Okay, Anagda was calculating. Okay, 83. Who has given the 83? Vedank. Absolutely correct, Vedank. Very good and very quick answer. Good. Okay, now you can see that we are including the days. Okay, we are including the days on which he has started the journey. So you can see that. Days in June. So there are 27 days in June. Why 27 days? Who will tell me? Anybody who can tell me? How many days are in the month of June? Total days in the month of June. Yes, 31 minus 4. Absolutely correct. 31. So 31 minus 4 will give you 27 days because he has started for vacation on 4th of June. Okay. So 31 minus 4, that is 27 days in the month of June. Then July, he was entire for the month of July. He was in USA. So we will include the entire month of July, that is 31. And he is coming back on 26th. So we will exclude 26th. Okay, we are not including 26th date. So that means till 25. Till 25 date, he was in the USA, right? So now add 27 plus 31 plus 25. You will get 83 days. So her vacation was 83 days long. Correct? Ma'am, she is a grandmother. Anushka's grandmother. Yes, sorry. Anushka's grandmother went to USA. Yes. Thank you. 34. What is 34, Karthik? What is 34? You were saying he. Okay, okay. Yes, she. That means you are listening to me very attentively. Thank you for correcting me. Thank you so much. Okay, any other issue in this question? 30 minus 4, no. 30 minus 4, okay, no. All right, now let's move to next question. How many hours are in a week? One day has 24. One day has 24 hours. So 7 days will be, yes, very good, 168 hours. Okay, next. How are 22 days can be written in the terms of weeks? Can anyone tell me this? Weeks? Anyone? B. Okay, let me solve it. Can I solve it? Now what I'm doing, I'm dividing this 22 days by 7. Right? So 7 multiply 3 will give me 21. I'll subtract, I'll get 1. So now I'll write a mixed fraction. 3 is my quotient. 1 by 7. This is my remainder and this is my divisor. So 3 1 by 7. Is it correct? 3 1 by 7 is the correct answer. This is the way I can write 22 days. Okay. Now, if the Independence Day in 1994 was on Monday. Okay, what is the Independence Day? What is the Independence Day? Can you tell me? India, Independence Day of India. Is it 26 January, 2nd October, 14 November or 15th August? My God, 15th August, absolutely correct. Okay, so if 15th August is your Independence Day and it is lying on Monday in 1994, on which of the following dates will be the Sunday? Sunday. 14th August will be Sunday. You know that 14 August must be Sunday. Now add plus 7 to 14. You will get 21 August. Okay, next. Then plus 7. You will get 28 August. Okay, who is saying A part? Swastika, is it A? No. Check it again. Now in 28th August, 29 August, 30, how many? Tell me this. 26th September, my father's birthday is one day before Republic Day. Republic Day is 26th January, dear. We are talking about Independence Day. Okay. D part. Okay, how D part? C. What about B? Okay, tell me how many days are in the month of August. First of all, let me tell you. How many days are in the month of August? 31, right? 31 days are in the month of August. Very good. So 28th August is Sunday. Let's see. 28th August is Sunday, right? So now 29 will be Monday. 30 will be Tuesday. 31 will be Wednesday. 1st September will be Thursday. 2nd September will be Friday. 3rd September will be Saturday. 4th September will be Sunday. So now 4 plus 7. 11. 11 plus 7. 18. So this is my answer. Did you get that? How we have got? Very good. So 18th September 1994 will be the next Sunday. Okay. Now see this. 14th February 1984. So 14th February was Tuesday. Okay. What was the day on 13th February 1985? Next year. They are talking about next year. Oh, everybody's saying Monday, Tuesday. We usually have one next day. Yes, it will be Wednesday. Okay, for example, if your birthday is coming this time Tuesday, next time it will be coming on Wednesday, right? So if 14th February is Tuesday, so next year, sorry. 14th February will be Wednesday, but 13 will be same, Tuesday only. It will be Tuesday only. This is the correct answer, right? Because we are talking about one previous day. Did you get that? Yes, A is the correct answer. It will be Tuesday only. Right. Okay. What is the period of time in hours and minutes from a 9:15 in the morning? Quarter past. What do you mean by quarter past? Anybody who can tell me what is the meaning of quarter past? 15 minutes past, right? 15 minutes past. So quarter past 9 means 9:15 in the morning means AM, right? Quarter past 9 means 9:15 AM in the morning. So now they are asking you, what is the period of time in hours and minutes from quarter past 9 in the morning till 2:30 in the afternoon? What is 2:30? 2:30 means 2:30 PM. Afternoon will give us PM. So how many hours and how many minutes will be there between these timings? This is the starting time given to you and this is the finishing time given to you. Okay, everybody's saying 5 hours, 15 minutes. Okay, let's start counting. 9 hours. See here. From 9:15 to 10 AM. It will be 45 minutes. Am I correct? Then from 10 AM to 2 PM. How many hours? Who will tell me how many hours from 10 AM to 2 PM? Okay, 4 hours. Right. Now from 2 PM to 2:30, because 2:30 is my last time. How many minutes? 30 minutes. Absolutely correct. So now if I add all this, 4 hours plus 45 minutes plus 30 minutes. So what I'm going to get? 4 hours, 75 minutes. But we do not have any time which is 75 minutes, right? Because we have only 60 minutes in 1 hour. 1 hour has only 60 minutes. You know that? So we will split this 75 into 1 hour, 15 minutes. Am I correct? Is it correct? I can split it 75 minutes into 1 hour and 15 minutes. So 1 hour will go to this 1 hour. So it will be 5 hours, 15 minutes. Everybody got this? Everybody has understood? Absolutely. This class is very smart. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, the school vacations are beginning from 14th April 1996 to 10th June 1996. Same year is not changing. Okay, now you have to find out the number of days the vacation is will be there. For how long will be the vacations? Now, this is the question that you are going to tell me the answer. 14th April is the beginning. That means you will include it. Include this. Because from 14th, you are having your first holiday. And 10th, till 10th, you are having your holiday. 10th is not your reopening day. Till 10th, you will be enjoying your holiday. So you will be including this date also. Okay. So for April, how many days are in the month of April? 30. So 30 minus, now this time I will subtract 13, not 14, because 14 is my holiday. So 30 minus 13, how many days I'll get? 30 minus 13. I need an answer in the chat box, please. 30 minus 13. Is it 8? No. Is it 27? No. 17 days, right? Or no? And in the month of May, how many days are there in the month of May? No, 27 is not the answer. Yes, 31. Okay, then June, 10 days. Now add all this. Add all this. What will be your answer? Add 17, 31 and 10. What will be your answer? 58 days, not 57, 58 days. Right. So this is my correct answer. Right. A part is the correct answer. 58 days. Right. Okay. Now Republic Day in the year 1996 fell on Friday. Now Republic Day is, you know that it is 26th January. Now it is coming on Friday. When will Teachers' Day fall? Teachers' Day. When is the Teachers' Day? When you celebrate Teachers' Day? 4th September or 5th September? Yes, it's 5th September. 5th September. So when is the 5th September? Tell me the day. Tell me the day. I got the date. You tell me the day. Any guesses? Somebody is saying Wednesday. Okay. Any explanation on Wednesday? Thursday also you are saying, okay. Thursday. How come Thursday? Anybody can explain? See, you can see that how many Fridays will be there in 1 month. Okay. Then you can calculate it, and this you can try, because this requires a lot of huge explanation. Okay. So the answer will be Wednesday. Okay, next see this. World Cup cricket begin on the second Wednesday of February, which was 14th. World Cup cricket begin on the second Wednesday. Second Wednesday means second week. And the second week, February, was 14th. The final was played on third Sunday of the next month. Next month means which month? March. After February, the month, March is the month. So what was the date when the final was played? This again requires your calculation. This is the February month. This is the March month. Okay. So now they are telling that second. So if I divide it like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. So now second Wednesday means Wednesday somewhat here, it is 14. If I start counting reverse, likewise we have more also, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now they are asking you what was the date when final was played, and now the March. See the March, third Sunday. You have to find out the third Sunday. Start doing it and find it out. It requires calculation. Do it. Saturday, Sunday. Okay. So first we will complete this February calendar. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Can anybody tell me whether 90, no, it was not mentioned that whether it is a leap year or not. So we will consider that it is a normal year. Okay. So we will write only 28 days. Okay. Then 28 days are ending on Wednesday. So we will start March from which day? We will start March from which day? Who will tell me? Whether I should start it from Wednesday or I start it from Thursday? Thursday, yes. So I'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now on which day it is ending? It is ending in the third Sunday. So what is the third Sunday? 18th. But why 18th is not coming? It is coming 17th here. So maybe this answer is incorrect. The correct answer is 18th March. Okay? Because 18th March is our third Sunday. So third Sunday, we are finishing the match. Okay, now let's see this.
Nityam, I think we are running out of the time, so I think we can wind.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
All right, children. So now we are winding up this here. All right. I
Yeah.
hope you enjoyed the session and you must have got clarity on how to find out the days and the durations, right? Can I have thumbs up? Okay. All right.
So students,
Thank
you can
you.
write in chat box like how was the session. Okay, I think Anika, I have any question, one question. You can ask, you can write in the chat box.
Yes, Peter, you can ask or you can write it in the chat box.
Great, it was great, very nice. Okay, thank you for the wonderful objectives. Yes, okay. Thank you, Ajay. Yes, so students, I have shared one link in the chat box. Please save this link, okay? So to join this link will help you. Just copy it, save somewhere. Will every session get recorded? So yes, every session will record it and will be shared on your WhatsApp. Okay. Yes, every session will be recorded. Need one more session. Okay, Preeti. So for that you need to join the live classes. Okay. So students, I think I've shared the links again. You just copy the links, okay, and save somewhere to join the classes. Okay, so thank you, Niti ma'am, for the wonderful session. Thank you, students, to join. Anika, do you have any doubt? Anika, do you have any doubt? Or it is clear? Okay. So I think if you have any doubt, then just message on the number on our website. Okay, they will help you. Okay, thank you, everyone. Thank you. Good evening. Thank you. Bye bye.